Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and I am so excited to take you on a walk-around tour of this brand new 2022 Healy Rough Terrain Forklift, model number CPCD 35Y KU3. Now this forklift has a base capacity of 7,000 pounds, and like I said, it is a rough terrain forklift. It has a Kubota diesel engine with a diesel particulate filter, and I'll show you that switch here in a moment. As you can see here, it has four-way hydraulics, and here's where you have that switch for the diesel particulate filter. No DEF is needed for this forklift. It is a selectable two-wheel or four-wheel drive vehicle, and you have right there on the dash is where your switch is, and it has a two-speed transmission as well. Now this has a three-stage mast with free lift. Max height on this is 185 inches. And you have your hang-on side shift and your fork positioners. This forklift comes with 48-inch standard tapered forks. I also want to show you here that we have the tilt cylinder protective boots. Now looking at the tires, these are black traction air pneumatic tires. So that gives you great traction for those rough terrain situations. Coming up here to the front, we have lots of great lights. Let me hop up here. So and turn these on for you. You have these LED work lights, which are ultra bright. We also have up here these combination lights that have not only that work light, but also your turn signals as well. And coming inside of the cab, you'll see that we have dual rear view mirrors. We also have a steering wheel knob. Our seat is a full suspension, fully adjustable seat that adjusts both with your incline as well as with your suspension and in terms of forwards and backwards. And you have that high visibility seat belt there as well. Now on that back pillar, you can see that we have that rear pillar handle with a horn, which is a fantastic safety feature. And back there on the lights, you can see we have those combination lights that show not only your brakes, but also your turn signals. And you'll see that we have that backup light as well as a backup alarm. Up on top, we have that magnetic strobe that is movable and repositionable. And you can see that we have the upswept exhaust. And back there, I want you to notice that we have that pre-cleaner. This particular forklift has a dual air cleaner with a pre-cleaner, which is a great feature to have. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you're interested in demoing this truck, or you're just ready to buy, or you have any questions, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.